Most people think watching NFL games without cable is complicated. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, you can watch almost every NFL game without a traditional cable subscription if you pick the right setup. The problem is that the NFL is now spread across multiple apps, streaming services, local channels, and exclusive deals. And this is exactly where most people get confused and overspend. In this video, you'll learn the simplest and cheapest ways to watch NFL games without cable in 2026, which streaming services actually carry the games you want, how to avoid blackout frustration, and the one setup that works best for most fans. Let's start with the fastest answer. If you want the easiest all-in-one solution, YouTube TV and Hulu Live TV are usually the best overall options for NFL fans. Why? Because they include major channels like CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network in many areas. That covers a huge percentage of NFL games immediately. But here's where it gets interesting. Not every NFL game is on regular TV anymore. Some games stream exclusively on services like Peacock, Prime Video, or ESPN+. So if you want complete NFL coverage, you need a smarter strategy. Let's break this down step by step. First, local Sunday afternoon games. Most Sunday NFL games air on CBS and Fox. That means your local channels matter more than anything else. Now here's the good news. You can often watch those games completely free using an HD antenna. Yes, seriously. A basic antenna can pull in local CBS, Fox, NBC, and ABC channels in many cities with no monthly bill. This is the cheapest NFL setup possible. For example, Jake lives near a major city and uses a $20 antenna. He watches local Sunday games, Sunday Night Football, and some playoff games without paying monthly streaming fees. That alone works for many casual fans. But here's the problem. If you want out-of-market games or full NFL coverage, antennas are not enough. That's where streaming services come in. YouTube TV is one of the most popular choices because it combines local channels, sports channels, unlimited DVR, and NFL Sunday Ticket availability. That last feature matters a lot. NFL Sunday Ticket lets you watch out-of-market Sunday afternoon games. So if your favorite team plays in another state, Sunday Ticket becomes incredibly valuable. Now here's where most people fail. They sign up for a cheaper streaming service, then realize they cannot watch their favorite out-of-market team. Always check this before choosing a service. Now let's compare the major streaming options. Hulu Live TV works well for mainstream NFL viewing. You get ESPN, local channels, and strong overall sports access. YouTube TV is similar but often preferred by hardcore sports fans because of its sports-friendly interface and Sunday Ticket integration. Fubo TV is excellent for sports overall, but some plans may miss certain channels like TNT depending on agreements. Sling TV is cheaper but local channel coverage can be inconsistent depending on where you live. DirecTV Stream offers strong sports coverage and regional sports networks but usually costs more. In a minute, I'll show you the cheapest setup that still covers most NFL games. But first, let's talk about exclusive games because this is where people get frustrated. Thursday Night Football is primarily on Prime Video. That means Amazon Prime is basically part of the NFL ecosystem now. Sunday Night Football stays on NBC and Peacock. Some playoff games and special events may also stream on Peacock. Monday Night Football mainly lives on ESPN. Certain international games and special matchups may appear on NFL Plus or ESPN Plus. So yes, NFL coverage is now fragmented. But the good news is you do not necessarily need every service year-round. This is the smartest strategy in 2026. Rotate subscriptions during the season. For example, Alex uses an antenna plus Prime Video most weeks. Then he activates YouTube TV only during peak football months. That approach can save hundreds yearly. Now let's talk about NFL Plus because many fans misunderstand it. NFL Plus is useful for mobile streaming, live local games on phones, and NFL Red Zone upgrades depending on the plan. But it is not a full cable replacement. A lot of people subscribe expecting complete TV access and feel disappointed afterward. So think of NFL Plus as a supplement, not the main solution. Now here's where it gets really interesting. For many people, the best setup is actually a combination of free and paid options. Here's an example. Use an HD antenna for local games. Use Prime Video for Thursday Night Football, DirecTV. Add YouTube TV during football season if you want full flexibility. That setup covers almost everything without paying for expensive cable year-round. And here's another smart trick. Share household subscriptions legally within platform rules when possible. Families often overpay because every person buys separate services unnecessarily. Now let's talk about the cheapest serious NFL setup. If your goal is simply watching your local team plus national games, an antenna and Peacock may already handle a surprising amount. Add Prime Video for Thursday games, and you are covering a huge part of the season cheaply. But if you are a fantasy football player or hardcore fan who watches multiple games every Sunday, you'll probably want YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket or another full live TV solution. That's where convenience matters more than price. Because constantly switching apps during football season gets annoying fast. Now here's something people forget about. Internet quality. Streaming NFL games smoothly requires reliable internet. A slow connection can ruin live sports faster than any other content. So before cutting cable completely, make sure your home internet can handle live HD streaming consistently. Especially if multiple people stream simultaneously. Now let's answer the biggest question directly. Can you realistically watch NFL games without cable in 2026? Absolutely yes. In fact, many fans now get better flexibility, mobile access, and lower costs compared to traditional cable. But the best setup depends on what type of fan you are. Casual local viewer? Use an antenna plus a couple streaming apps. Fantasy football addict watching every game? YouTube TV with Sunday Ticket makes more sense. Budget-focused viewer? Rotate subscriptions during football season instead of paying year-round. And here's the biggest takeaway. Do not chase every single NFL service immediately. Start with the games you actually care about most. Local games? Out-of-market games? Primetime matchups? Once you know that answer, building the right setup becomes much easier. If this video helped you figure out how to watch NFL games without cable in 2026, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your favorite NFL team. And if you want more streaming guides that save money while keeping all your sports coverage, check out the next video right now.